All right, Monday morning, June 13th, I think, 2021. Headed out. Let me get the truck fired up here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, I've got about an hour to hour and a half long drive to get to the job site. And it's about 7:43. So hopefully there won't be too much traffic. I gotta go through the city that's north of me, over a couple mountains. Finished with job number one, headed to job number two. That first job was prepping for a patio on the back of that house. And this one's gonna be, the next one's gonna be spreading some topsoil, I think to lay sod. We'll see when we get there. got job number 2. Don't really know exactly what I'm doing here. I'd assume covering up all these irrigation and drain lines. Moving that topsoil and final grading this backyard. Nice concrete work there. All this dirt was wet, so I spread it out in the yard right there so it'll dry. I gotta come back in about 2 days. Built that little fire pit. Got the bushes right there. Straw for the backyard right here. Got the dirt piled up right here for the landscaping. You got the front yard somewhat graded out. It's got a lot of trash in it. Tuesday morning, about 7:30. So I just got a phone call. A guy called me wanting to bush hog a field, and it was actually on the way to the place I'm going this morning. So I just whipped in here, and they want this mowed here. It looks like it hadn't been mowed in several years, probably at least 2 to 3 years, I'd say. And it's pretty much all kudzu. So I'm about to meet him and give him a price on bush hogging this. All right, now I'm at a cow in a cow pasture where they put hay. There's where they put the hay bales. So it's on this hillside, and the cows have beat out the ground. I'm dug out right there, letting that water drain out of that puddle. You can kind of see where on the side of the hill here, just from the cows walking up here, it's just made the dirt pile up right here. So I'm just going to take and just start pushing this dirt back up into where that puddle is, just to get it fall back on it where the water will drain out and not puddle up. All right, got that done. Got some manure kind of spread out. It's soaking wet and I was spinning, but got the cut all this down, got the puddle filled in. It packed in pretty good, got it filled in around the thing there. There's only one little bitty soft spot right here, I think. Yeah, right there. And it should harden up, but anyway, that's that one. Alright, so I just dropped the machine off at that bush hog job I looked at this morning. Since I finished the spreading the dirt at the cow thing so early, I just went ahead and drop the machine off so I can go mow this field up here and try to get that knocked out. So I gotta go pick up a bush hog. Now I sold mine, so I got borrowing a friend's. Two times. Let's go. And back at home right before 6 o'clock today. All right, Wednesday morning. And getting in the old Dodge here. Gonna go haul some concrete today. First part of the day anyway.
I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. I'm on vacation every single day, every single day.
I got the dump trailer here, got these chunks of concrete, excavator, Dylan having a biscuit, and we're tearing out this concrete floor. This is a truck wash. Alright, just dumped the first load of concrete, and I was supposed to meet a guy to pay, but he's not up there, so I guess I'm leaving. Got all the concrete hauled. I didn't film any of it. Went and picked up a new excavator bucket. Sat in traffic for 3 hours. And now I'm getting old. Jeez, that's loud. Now I'm getting old girl washed. And just got home and it is almost 5:30. So about to mow my yard. And then tomorrow morning got a 2-hour drive back to the house I went to Monday to finish up spreading the dirt in the yard to get ready for sod and seed and straw. So Thursday morning, got a 2-hour drive ahead of me. Well, that's nice. Been driving for about an hour and 20 minutes. Got about another 30 to 45 minutes to go. Alright, made it to this house again. And today we're having sod delivered, so I gotta see what I can do with this nasty dirt, see if I can get it at least slicked up a little bit. Say hey to Chris.
Oh yeah.
All right, got the, looks like they got the sprinklers going. Smile for the camera.
Yeah. You was singing. What?
Smile.
What is that?
GoPro. Shut her down, Charlie Brown. Got some Dollar General goodies. Come here.
Okay, Friday morning. Going to scrape another yard for sod. So let's get the old girl fired up. Somebody needs to wash that off.
All right, I'm scraping I've cut some trees here a couple months ago and just left it rough. It was in the winter time, so it was real rough. So now that it's dried up, got some of this topsoil scraped off, and we're going to be laying sod out here. So I've got to get all this roughness graded out, dig those flowers up, move all these rocks, get this rough out right here, grade all this out. They're building a patio. Get this dirt, get all these rocks out of here, and get dirt all in here and all this ready for sod. On that one, I broke a fiber optic cable guy right there was fixing. So hopefully I don't get charged for that. So now I'm on my way to level a spot for a building pad. I think it's like a 20 by 20 or 20 by 15 or something. So I'm ahead to do that. All right, now I just built this building pad. Got home about 8 o'clock last night, and it's a Saturday morning. Headed back to the job where I spread the topsoil yesterday, fixed the yard. Just got to load out one dump trailer load, just to help those guys out. Got the truck fired up. Let's roll. Now I'm pulling into school. Got to cut out an area. There was a flower bed and they're wanting to do away with the bed. So yeah, I'm running that stop sign, but they want to do away with the bed and just fill it in with concrete. It's part of the entrance, so we got to cut that out and haul the dirt out. It's really, really small, so it's kind of going to be hard to get the machine in there, but we'll do what we can. All right, here's the area. Thought it was going to be a little easier to get these bricks out, but they're actually on a footer. That's a concrete footer right there. So the bricks are sitting on concrete and they're mortared in. So I thought I could use the bucket and put the corner of it here and chip them up, but you can see I chipped the concrete there. So probably just gonna have to do them with the pick one at a time. Alright, got one load of dirt in the dump trailer, and I'm trying to beat the rain. There's a storm coming, tropical storm. So got all this cut out, and those bricks were actually on a like a footer there, so I had to use the excavator to break them up and got it all cut down to 4 inches. So this will be poured back with concrete here in a couple days.